Hi everyone. In today's session, we are going to know about articles. In English, there are two articles. They are definite article and indefinite article. Okay, so articles are the words that define noun as specific or unspecific. So there are two types of articles. They are definite article and indefinite article. So definite article is the. So the will limit the meaning of a noun to a particular thing. There is only one definite article, that is the. So going on to some of the examples of definite article. For example, your friend is asking you that, are you going to the party this weekend? So in this sentence, the party, here the party is the specific party which you and your friend, both of you, know. So the is used only to talk about specific things which two people know. So the article can be used with singular nouns, plural nouns, as well as with uncountable nouns. This is all about definite article the. Then moving on to the indefinite articles. So indefinite article will take two forms, that is a and an. So a is used whenever we get a consonant sound and an is used whenever we get a vowel sound. So first thing, a, e, I, o, u or vowels, and except a, e, I, o, u, remaining alphabets are called consonants. Here in the sentence, this is a book. Book, when we pronounce book, we are getting a consonant sound. So a will precede book. And in another sentence, I have dash apple. So apple is a vowel sound. So vowel sound will always take an. And abbreviations like IAS, MLA, such abbreviations will always take an. So a is used before a consonant sound and an is used before a vowel sound. Moving on to articles a and an. So a is used before consonant sound, whereas an is used before vowel sound. So a and an both are used only before singular nouns, and a and an are not specific. That is why a and an are called indefinite articles. For example, in the sentence, it has been an hour. So hour, though it is starting with a consonant, we will still use an, because here H is silent and it is sounding as a vowel. So we will use an. So we should have to concentrate on the sounds, not on the letters. A is used before European and university. Why? Because European is sounding like Y-O-U-U. So we are getting a consonant sound. And university is also sounds like U. So these both are consonant sounds. So we will use A before European and university. Then moving on to some rules of articles. Rule 1. If the identity is not known, then we have to use a or an for countable nouns. Whereas for uncountable nouns, we will not use any article. Rule 2. If the identity is known, then we have to use the definite article the for countable nouns as well as for uncountable nouns. Rule 3. If the things are in general, then we will not use article for both countable nouns as well as for uncountable nouns.